Hello and welcome to this video on how to fix the problem with the TAO Naming Service. This is a problem that occurred around patch level 8, patch level 9 of 8.81 and have annoyed a lot of people. So this short video will show you how the problem exists and how to fix it. So right now I have made my machine having this issue simply by recreating it. And when I start Usability Package as my example, but it could be any add-on having this issue, or any add-on at least connecting to the DI API. So you will notice that your add-on will be hanging a long time before it connects to startup, because it's trying to connect to something that doesn't exist, and we'll see that a little later on. So in Usability Package case, you will get an unexpected error. And if we look at this error, it will say that connection to the license server fails if license server is invalid, corrected if TAO Naming Service stopped, activate and restart license. So this is actually not an issue with the license server and needing to restart it. The issue is that doing upgrades to patch level 8 or 9, for some reason SAP can make an incorrect change to the DI API when you install it. So they end up with an incorrect address to your license server. So no matter how much you try this, it will always fail. So what we need to do instead is we need to go into our folder system and go to our program files, SAP, and into the DI API folder down here. In here we have a configuration folder, and in there there's a local machine.xml, and this is actually what's containing the error. So we need to edit it, and it's a long piece of XML, but at some point you will find a leaf called license server, and it will contain a value. Here, in most cases, SAP have made the mistake of putting in localhost here, or some kind of incorrect value here. So what you need to do is you need to put in the correct value on where your license server is. That can either be with the IP address or with the server license server name. In my case, it's rwj.pc:30,000. So if I save this file, close this, and try to run the add-on now, you will see that it starts up exactly as expected compared to having the error just before. So if you're seeing this error message, TAO Naming Service, you need to go to that file, correct the data, and you should be up and running again. So, thank you for attending, and good luck working with the rest of this.